Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Man, today is September the 24th, 2021. This is going to be our REN crypto price prediction. REN crypto is up over 340% since July, just a couple of months ago. It is up 340%. Is it still a buy? We're going to try to answer the question if this cryptocurrency is still a buy in REN crypto, which simply means do we expect the price to continue to go up? Now, before I break that down, before I even break down our last price prediction, which you guys can see right here, make sure you tap in with me. Make sure you hit the like button, share, and also subscribe here to the channel while everyone else is out here trying to pump you up, give you a lot of fear, a lot of FUD, a lot of FOMO, trying to persuade you that every cryptocurrency is going to make you a multi-billionaire. It's going to bring you that Lambo into your garage. That's not going to be the case. You need somebody who's more in tune with the market and how it works so that you don't have to be confused, so that you don't have to wonder, okay, why did the crypto just went down in price? Because we also forecast those type of price movements. So if you guys want to learn more, like I said, tap in. We're here. The doors are open. All right. So now, real quick, let's talk about the price action in REN since our last price prediction. You guys can see it's right here from September the 18th. We said, hey, everyone, it looked like the price in REN is going to go down in price, right? We told you all that. We said be prepared for the market in REN to go lower, and it did. Look at it. Immediately 2 days into our price prediction, the market in REN came to our ultimate area of TP, which simply means take profit. 18.75% right there. Now also take note, look at this, just check this out. The price in REN even came and bounced off of our ascending line. That was a dead giveaway that the price in REN was going to shoot up in price, that we were going to maintain this ascending trend that we've been in ever since July. Like I said, we've been in a 340% increase in price in REN since July 21st, 2021. And right here on this particular day, the 21st of September, which is a couple of months, 2 months since July, even on September 22nd, the price confirmed the trend. It's just that easy, just that simple. It doesn't require a lot of technical indicators on your chart just to figure out, okay, cool, where the market is going to go. So I want to say congratulations to each and every one of you who was able to capitalize on that price move, right? Kudos. So now let's take this away, because we want to see, is the market in REN still a buy? You guys can tell over the last couple of trading days into the market in REN, we've seen the volume increase, right? And if you've been a staunch supporter of our channel, if you guys been watching our videos, that's one of the main things we need to pay attention to, is the volume. We need to see who came into the market and played, right? We need to see who came in, bought, sell, so we can understand, okay, where we're trying to go into the future. Now, what do you think? We confirmed the trend on the 21st and 22nd of September. The market volume literally is heavier than what the price has, or the volume has been throughout June, July, and even August. The volume has been a lot heavier than those time periods. So what's up? You tell me. What do you think the market is trying to do with all of this volume? Do you think people are buying or selling, right? Those are the only two things that we can get into the market. People who are buying, people who are selling. That's it. So which one do you think is going on into the market in REN since September the 15th? Let's take a look at the chart on a 3-day time frame, right? So this is the market in REN on a 3-day time frame. Look at all this volume, right? For us to see the price in REN currently giving us some strength from the market move lower on the last completed 3-day price bar, it kind of tells me, hey, that weakness didn't have any problems with REN's price. Literally, there was enough people in the market in REN who was willing to buy up this cryptocurrency, which is fantastic because it tells me that this area right here is still in play, right? We can still see this market in REN trade this area that I've just circled. Keep that in mind as we go throughout the rest of September and starting out the month of October. The price in REN is still anticipated to go up in price. And one of the biggest answers to this question, can REN continue to go up? Is it a buy? Is the fact that we saw the market bounce off this trend. Now, if we break this ascending line to the downside, then yeah, no, the market in REN is not expected to go up. We will be playing the market to the downside at that particular moment. And so far, that's still the case. The market here in REN is still showing the ability to go up. There is still some strength involved into the market in this currency, albeit, let me show you all this. We are seeing the market currently close on this current 3-day price bar off of the highs. Now, what does it mean? It means that there's a little bit more selling going on in REN up here toward this $1 price. Okay, just like the last couple of 3-day price bars where the market saw weakness and increase in volume, we're still going through that process right now in REN where people are trying to sell out their currency around $1. Okay, so there's still a chance, I would say 35, maybe 40% chance that the price in REN is going to come right back down and test 90 cents or even 80 cents on this ascending line. So again, be prepared for that, right? You don't want to be caught off guard and see the market in REN come back down to 80 cents and test the trend, because that is still 40% probability of the market doing that. Okay, now let's see the market in REN on the 5-day time frame. You guys can see that over the last 2 completed 5-day price bars, which is a combination of 10 trading days, the market has gotten hit with a lot of selling. We need to pay attention on how we close on this current 5-day price bar, because if we're able to still see the price close above the last 2 previous 5-day price bars close, then it tells us that the market is still strong and we will be expecting the market to go up. Now, I'm not going to be an all-out bull and say, you know, REN is going to hit you up to the moon. We're taking a rocket ship up there to outer space. No, not at all. Can we see the price in REN hit $1.10, $1.20? Yeah, we can. But that's not like a moonshot. That's not like a rocket ship to outer space. But it's a movement higher, right? Let me give you something more realistic, right? We're going to give you a price target that is more in line with where price usually goes, while everyone else on YouTube is trying to give you like a $20 price target in REN. No, we're not saying that. So check this out. You guys can see that currently the market in REN is getting hit already with a lot of stockpile. So from out the gate, yeah, be prepared for this price to come back down. And matter of fact, we may even test the trend in REN. Let me see this real quick. Because what you're seeing into the market right now is REN getting hit with a lot of selling. Look at all this volume coming through over the last 1 hour time frame. Look at this. It tells you that the market is getting hit with a lot of selling, because if there wasn't no selling right here, then the market will still be going up. So yeah, we're going through some selling right now. So be prepared to see this price in REN drop. All right, we're going through that process right now. So I'm not going to be surprised to see the market in REN go lower, because we're going through this process right now. Okay, so now, since we're expecting the price initially to drop, where do you think the market needs to hold support to allow the prediction to see REN go higher later on in time? Where do you see it? I'm seeing around 85 cents, no lower than 80. Okay, so you have to be prepared to allow the market to come down without being fearful, without saying, oh man, I messed up. No, the price is currently going through some selling right now. So we're not going to be surprised to see this happen. Okay. So let's do that. Let me take you back over to the daily and let you all have your time back. Again, like I said, $1. You need to eat off that. We need to take some of that bread off the market in REN at $1. Right? I don't want to, you know, get you hyped up, because we can still see the market get rejected at $1, like we're seeing it right now, and then price come back down. So that's going to be our first TP price, is $1. Second area is going to be 110, right? I'm not going to be extremely bullish into the market in REN, but that's still 15%. You know, that's decent, and it might take us a while, right? We need to be prepared to allow this market to trade this way, right? And that takes us all the way into like mid-October for us to see this market trade sideways. But as long as we don't drop, as long as the price doesn't break below 80 cents or even this ascending trend, this is what the market is anticipated to do. Trade sideways to the right with the prospect of us going up. Just that easy, just that simple. Okay, so that's it. This is what we're looking forward to. I want to know what you all think. You know, drop me a comment in the comment section and tell your boy, you know, where do you expect the price in REN to go over the next 3 weeks? Hit me up, leave me a comment. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, I'll see you all on the next video, and welcome to the team. I'm out.